my name is Mariana. Congrats on beginning your Invisalign journey with Stone Oak Orthodontics. Today we're going to be going over wear and care instructions, what's in your take-home bag, and how to brush. Let's get started. Wear your aligners 22 hours a day. The only time you'll take them off is when you're brushing or eating. Make sure you evenly remove your aligners from the back so the aligners don't crack, and from the inside so you don't knock off any buttons or attachments. When putting on your aligners, don't bite down to set them. Use your fingers to push them down onto your teeth. We will also provide some chewies to help you seat your aligners. If your aligners aren't seating right, bite down on your chewy to help seat it. When you take off your aligners to brush, you also want to brush your aligner. Your kit will also have cleaning packets for them if you wish to use them. Your aligners come in a packet that will be numbered. They're also labeled L for lower and U for upper. When you're done with your aligners for the week, do not throw them away. Rinse them, dry them, and place them back in their correct bag. Life happens, and if you ever need to backtrack, you already have them. Here are some do's and don'ts with your Invisalign aligners. If you have any buttons attached to your teeth for elastics, be careful when eating so none of them fall off. Don't chew gum with your aligners in. Aligners are plastic, so don't leave them in your car or hot temps because they will melt. Don't boil them or place them in hot water. Do not wear them while drinking anything other than water. Hot liquids like tea or coffee will warp them. Try to keep your aligners in your Invisalign case to avoid losing them. Don't leave them wrapped in a napkin. Do not put them in your pockets, on a lunch tray, or on the restaurant table because they will end up getting thrown away. If they're not in your mouth, they're in your case. Young children and pets love aligners because they smell like food and they smell like you. The only safe place for your aligners are in the case or in your mouth. Now let's go over what's in your take-home bag. You're going to receive your aligners in this box. You'll have a case for your aligners to put away whenever they're not in your mouth. This will be a travel kit for your convenience. And then this is a paper to go over all of the information we went over today in case you forget something. So that's all for your take-home bag. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call our office or send us a message. We can't wait to see your new smile. Welcome to the Stone Oak Orthodontic family.